everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. So it is Thanksgiving week. The year is flying by, and I know that this year is a strange year for many families who had to adjust their Thanksgiving schedule, me included, and there might be some people that are cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the first time ever. Maybe you always went to your aunts or your sisters or your moms, and now you're doing it from home. So I decided to come on and share some Thanksgiving recipes that would help you out. So tonight we're going to do candied yams. Have you ever had that? It's a really, really good and super easy recipe. So I actually start with canned yams. You can obviously use fresh ones if you prefer, but this is a little cheap. This is an easy recipe because it's literally 4 ingredients: yams, butter, brown sugar, and mini marshmallows. So super easy. You might even have them in your house. And then we're going to just bake them. So with your yams, you want to open your can, and then you do want to drain it off, okay? You don't want to have all of the liquid in here. The can opener, by the way, that Princess House has, ouch, that hit my toe, is back in stock. We had a problem with this. We're just going to drain off all of the juice. That is important. You do want to drain off all of the juice, okay? There you go. And then we're going to just put the yams in the pot, or the pan, I should say. Let me pick this up real quick to show you. The can opener is back in stock is what I wanted to tell you. It's been a great item, but it was out of stock for a while. And it's really nice because, I don't know if you can tell, but there's no sharp edges. So once you open it, it's done and you're never going to get cut on it. That's the best part. So this is how it works. You're going to go ahead and just put your yams in the pot. I'm going to just cut them a little bit. Some of them are larger than others. And obviously, depending on how big your family is and how many people you have coming, you can put 2 jars in. But this is how easy this recipe is. You're literally just going to take some brown sugar and sprinkle it over the top. You can have dark brown sugar or light brown sugar, whichever you want. This is about 1/3 of a cup. So again, that just depends on what you like, okay? And then we're just going to put some butter on top of it. I'm just going to soften up my butter a little bit. Yeah. And sprinkle that over the top. Here goes the butter. And then we put on our marshmallows. So let me know if you guys ever made candied yams before, and if your family likes them. The candy part makes them a little bit more interesting, I should say, to get the people to eat the vegetables, right? So do you guys make them? Let me see. Do you guys make candy yams? And it's a super easy dish to make, being quick-wise. It's good if you're going somewhere because it's really easy to be able to make ahead of time and then just pop them in the oven. They go for 400 degrees for 25 minutes, and that's it. Like, super easy. But it looks really special, so it makes a really nice presentation. Fantasia Fresh. And what's nice about this pan, it's a 9x13, is it does have a plastic cover. So if you are going to make it in advance, it's really easy for you to do this in advance, put the plastic cover over it, and then put it in the refrigerator, and then cook it right at the house or wherever you're going to be. And then you don't have to worry about doing it very last minute, okay? So that's it. Again, look how easy that is. Here's our marshmallows. Yum. You might have to eat a couple of these along the way. And then that's it. Super easy. 25 minutes, 400 degrees. And marshmallows are great even if they're a little bit stale. So sometimes once you open that bag of marshmallows, they don't stay fresh really long. Oh, and I do want to give you a hint. I always try to do this hint with brown sugar. Sometimes your brown sugar will get crusty, I guess. That brown sugar really hardens up over time. So once you open your bag of brown sugar, just always put a piece of fresh bread in the brown sugar before you close it back up again. And what'll happen is the bread will get super hard, but the sugar stays super soft. So you can do that with brown sugar or regular sugar. And that's how easy it is. Make sure when you pull it out of the oven, you use your mitts because it's definitely going to be hot. As always, I will come back and show you the finished product, but it's basically 25 minutes, 400 degrees, candied yams, yum. Okay, are you ready for the finished product? It smells amazing. look at this. This is perfect. So these are the candied sweet potatoes or yams, whatever you want to call them. They were 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. So this is what it looks like, right? Thanksgiving dinner, easy peasy, great recipe for you to try.